Here at Kimber Pipe Solutions, we specialize in trenchless pipe rehabilitation. Let's see our process for each blue light job. The first step is getting our calculations correct. Here we calculate the length of each component that contributes to the lining process. Once the calculations are correct, we get our liner pre-stretched. This ensures exact footage. We then remeasure the liner and make our required marks and cuts. Then we have to create an airtight seal, creating a strong vacuum effect on the liner. We then check for air leaks, confirming our seal is perfect. Then we roll up the liner and the cowl tube and take them over to the wet out station. This is our drum. It helps put the liner in the pipe. We have already loaded our first pull rope. Our second pull rope is tied and taped to the cowl tube, then loaded into the drum. The cowl tube is sprayed with mineral oil to ensure that it easily inserts inside the liner later.
We are now ready to wet out the liner. First, we mix the resin. As the resin is poured in the liner, a slug forms.
As we continue to pour, we slide the resin down the liner. Then we take the liner to the wet out table, which ensures resin to be on every fiber of the liner. We clean our work area and load the liner into the drum. These are the machines that makes everything happen. We then secure the end of the liner to the end of the drum. This tube acts as a guide for the liner. Once the liner is in place, the pressurized cowl tube is unrolled inside the liner. The cowl tube is responsible for pushing the liner firmly against the hose pipe. The cowl tube has to remain a specific pressure the whole time. The pressure is continuously monitored. Now it's time to cure the new liner. This liner is cured with blue light technology. The light head is fed through the cowl tube down to the end of the line. Then as it's pulling back, it cures. Here's a good view of the blue light running through the pipe. Once the lines are cured, we reinstate the lines as well as do our finishing work. The job is now done.